In the age of digitalization, things are getting increasingly independent and intelligent. This particularly applies to our value chains, which are therefore becoming dynamic and flexible. The digitalization of our processes and products leads to an exponential growth in data volumes and their processing algorithms. For instance, thousands of sensors are implemented on a production line. A forklift truck calculates when it needs which parts based on its usage. Warehouse management software know its stock and independently orders replenishment stock, and even drills have chips built into them. Machines and products manage their status and their assigned tasks and communicate autonomously with other things. Artificial intelligence identifies patterns in people's decisions and actions, supports people when carrying out routine tasks,